Here's the problem. In the basement, we only have one outlet, which runs the beer fridge, the dog fence, and something for the Comcast cable. So if you have the fridge on, the dog fence, a fluorescent light, and then you turn on, say, like the radio alarm saw, the lights go out. So we're gonna fix that today with Mark the electrician while I go to Boston. All right, going to Boston. First showing, it's incredibly nasty outside. Cold, rainy, yuck. Oh my God, it's October and it's like a snowstorm out here. Now we've ground to a halt and there's probably an accident up ahead. It's a wicked blizzard up here. Well, I found a spot on Milk Street in the financial district right next to Coogan's and here by the Custom House Tower. I'm just gonna get a hot chocolate and head over to the showing. Hot chocolate for Jack. Thank you. All right, we made it 5 minutes early. I like to be early. Well, they showed up on time, which was great, and they liked the place, and pretty good showing. You can see Old North Church. I've showed you this place before if you've been watching me, because I've been representing this property for quite some time, but I've never showed it in a snowstorm. So yeah, great day. I'm gonna go hit some shops and try to make my way back home.
I really did that too.
Well, the ride home's a complete joy. All right, we are back. Let's see if the electrician made any progress. Hey. Hey, everyone. I got treats. Hi, Caroline. Say hello. Hi. I got treats. Where's Mom?
Any Regina's Pizzeria. I didn't see any Regina's Pizzeria.
I got you a wine.
Where's the Regina's Pizzeria? Where's the Regina's Pizza?
There's no Regina's Pizza.
Where's the Regina's Pizza?
I got some nice olives.
That's the one thing we wanted.
Well, that would have been another like half an hour stuck in traffic.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You didn't do that for us?
No, don't act for my vlog. Need a haircut. What do you want? Oh, yes. Check this out. So we'll be able to plug the generator into here. Right there, that's where the generator goes. So in an emergency, wheel out the generator, plug it in. We'll still have power to run the house and especially the heat. It's all set up. 1 outlet, 2 outlets, 3, 4. Yeah, there's some, he's gonna come back tomorrow and teach me how to use that. No idea. But thanks, Mark. Mark Wintringham. See those caps? House rule. I've never picked up one of them, ever.